With climate change and aging wires, CA is facing increased threat of wildfire. We, the FisherFire research team, are proud to present our new wildfire risk prediction app for CA electric companies. If you were in CA last autumn, you could not forget the large-scale power outage. And if you were there in 2018, you would remember one of the most destructive wildfires in history caused by the sparks from a transmission line. However, is turning off all power lines the best way to reduce wildfires? Luckily, the answer is no, and we're here to present a new data-driven method to help PG&E and other electric companies avoid the title of CA's public enemy number 1. FisherFire is designing a geospatial risk prediction framework. We included both spatial and temporal features, trained on a multi-year dataset, and tested on 2018 data. We focus on the 2-kilometer buffer of electric company control land. We first examined the distribution of past fires in terms of size and space. There is clear clustering, and the median fire size is about 0.7 square kilometers. Thus, we decided on grids of 600 meters squares. Feature layers were then adjusted into the grids. Spatial features include landform, land cover, climate, and distance to fire services. The experimental regression indicates that wind zone, land cover, and slope are among the most predictive features. Temporal spatial features include the number of months to last fire and clear action. The experimental regression indicates that previous fire and clear can reduce wildfire risk in the near future, yet the effect will decline as time goes by. We used logistic regression to predict the probability that the grid catches fire or not in a particular year. Our first model is making unsatisfactory predictions because wildfire is a very rare event, and we have a train set with less than 1% positive samples. Our next step is to resample and rerun the whole model. Here comes our final product, an interactive web map built in cooperation with Google. This is the main page, which shows the overall prediction results, active fires, and ongoing clear actions. Different user groups can then click to enter their own customized modes. Let's try the technician mode. Here the logged-in user, PG&E, can scroll the bar and enter values to change the model's key parameters. Thus, they can change their risk alarm level in different seasons and weathers. There is also a button to get the most up-to-date data. The manager mode is even fancier. The what-if calculator can estimate the overall benefits of a certain scenario by balancing its risk and cost. PG&E can now get a clear budget before they turn off certain power lines or start certain clear actions. There is also a button for them to contact local partners for expert help. This is FisherFire. A few clickings can now help PG&E and other CA electric companies to make better wildfire management decisions in the next fire season.